How much do we invest every month and where? Hey guys, today I want to share the exact numbers of how much my husband and I invest every month and what is the reasoning behind some of those investments. We are a couple living in Delhi and together we make around 3 lakhs a month. We have a child, we also take care of our parents, and because of that, building financial security is pretty important to us. As a couple, we currently save and invest roughly 50% of our monthly income. Before I get into the numbers, I want to make one thing very clear. This is not financial advice. I'm not saying this is the right way to invest, and I'm definitely not saying you should follow us. I'm simply sharing what we do. I hope it will be useful for you if you're starting out or simply want to get an idea. So let's start. First, my SIP. I invest 50,000 every month in mutual funds. UTI Nifty 50 Index Fund to be precise. I've been investing consistently for around 2 years now and I've accumulated a good amount in this fund. I chose a Nifty 50 Index Fund because I wanted something simple. I didn't want to spend any time comparing mutual funds or worrying about whether I have picked the perfect fund or not. I wanted something straightforward and simple where I could invest in consistently and leave alone for the long term. Next, direct stocks. I invest 10,000 a month in individual stocks. I've picked a few companies myself and my intention is to hold them for 5 to 7 years. I'm not going to reveal which stocks they are because honestly I don't even know whether this will turn out to be profitable or not. This is something where I want to actively invest, but I'm okay if nothing good comes out of it. But let's hope for the best. Now, my partner's investments are a little different. He invests 50,000 every month in gold ETF, specifically in ICICI Prudential Gold ETF. Now I know this means we have a significant exposure to gold, and from a diversification perspective, this may not be the right way. But my husband doesn't really want to invest in individual stocks or mutual funds. He doesn't want to invest his money in any company, and that's his personal choice. Then comes our emergency fund. Together, we put in 30,000 a month into FDs. We already have around 10 lakhs set aside as an emergency fund, but we don't feel that's enough. And with layoffs and job uncertainty becoming pretty common, we feel we need to have a bigger emergency fund and just have enough cash in hand just for our peace of mind. So we are currently building this fund. I don't necessarily think of this money as an investment, but for me, it's more like financial security. That's 1.4 lakhs every month going towards investments and savings. Apart from this, we already have our health insurance and life insurance sorted, and we don't have any loans. We also don't actively buy physical gold because we already have enough gold jewelry for occasions. So that's not something we are looking to accumulate further. That's basically it. We are not doing anything extremely complicated. Everyone has different risk appetites, different preferences, and different ways of looking at money. So our portfolio isn't necessarily what a textbook portfolio would look like, but it works for me and my husband. So that's how much we invest every month and where we put our money. If you guys want, I can do another video on exactly how we spend the remaining 1.6 lakhs every month, or I can show you what our total investment portfolio looks like right now. Let me know in the comments below.